guys, Dale Walker from Holeshot Performance. Hey, I'm up here in Sparks, Nevada at Sierra Fuel Company. They've been here over 35 years and they have all different types of fuel. But what they are is they're the main VP race fuel provider around here for all the racers. So, you know, I got Ratsuki getting restored here. We're about to fire up the motor pretty soon, and I need race gas, and gee, it's hard to find around here. Even Summit, places like that, don't seem to have it anymore. So I'm up here now, and I'm going to give you a little tour. So let me give you the grab the camera, and I'll show you their warehouse. All right, here we are on the dock. These are all empties, and in the magic room in here, kind of dark, but we've got enough light. They pretty much stock every fuel popular. See, we've got the MS-109, MS-100, C12, that's a real good all-around race fuel, C14, C16, that's what I just bought. Pretty reasonably priced. I bought 7 gallons. They do pump your own can if you want. I bought a fresh 5-gallon metal, so it's nice and sealed for me. And I bought 2 more gallons to maybe play on the dyno. So CMS 100, they have the 110, C12, C14, T2, T4. They also sell the E85 race fuel, so it's totally stable, unlike going to different gas pumps or stations. And yeah, this is just more stock over here. So really neat old place and very friendly. And yeah, they have a couple X16s, those are special ordered, but and they also sell methanol. But the deal is they're fairly reasonably priced compared to other places I have checked with. And the X16 was only a little bit less than the C16, and the C16, of course, will handle more nitrous and supposedly makes a teeny bit more power. If that wasn't sealed, I'd get a couple gallons and I'd do back-to-back dyno tests, but I'm not buying a 5-gallon for that. Maybe one day we'll do that. So anyway, pretty neat old place. I think their address is 317 Sutro Street in Reno, Nevada. So look them up. Okay, we'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching.